Hi, in this lecture, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do more operations on the list using slicing. In one of our previous lecture, we used the slicing concept to retrieve or output the list of elements in the list on the output screen. But in this lecture, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a number of elements in the list in one go, and also I'm going to be showing you guys how to add multiple elements into list, or also you can delete multiple elements in the list using the same slicing concept. So let me just quickly show you guys how this is done so you know what I'm talking about. So open up your Python GUI and then quickly create a new list. So I'm just going to call it as example, and then I'm going to use the list function to convert a word. So I'm just going to write simple book for now and then press enter. So let me just quickly see how the list is now. So it took each and every letter from the word and then it made that as an element within the list example. So let me just quickly calculate the length of the list. So it's 10 numbers, 10 elements. So using slicing, you can replace a certain number of elements. For example, if you want to replace the elements from book, starting from B till K, then you just have to type example, the list name, and then two brackets. Then you need to specify the index. So let's come from here. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you can include 6 and then till the end, and then you're gonna specify the word. So I'm just gonna write list. um, Let me just write Mike. It's just 4 letters, yeah, and then press enter. So if you output the list again, you can see the elements have been replaced by the different word. Now it doesn't have to be a similar length, it doesn't have to be 4 letters, or it doesn't have to be of 4 elements. It can be a larger number or a smaller word. For example, if you just write example and then you select the same index and then list, and then you need to type the word. Let me just for now balloon. I have no idea how I'm choosing these words, but yeah. Right, so this is how it works. So you can add multiple elements to your list in one go, and it can also delete in the same way. So for deleting the elements from your list, you just need to write the list name and then specify the index, and then just need to write empty brackets. So if you do that, that's going to delete all the elements from the index number 5 till the end. So these are very useful operations which can be used in your regular programming, and it comes really handy when you're dealing with obviously very large data type. So that's all for this lecture. Let's see what we can learn in our next lecture. Thank you.